Good afternoon everyone. I am very honored to introduce a new generation of H5800 Visual Artificial Intelligence Fire Alarm System developed by Orena. The traditional addressable fire alarm systems cannot effectively identify the difference between smoke particles, dust, light interference, and fog caused by changes in temperature and humidity. Since field detectors adopt ordinary photoelectric sensors, false alarms happen frequently. After a few years of operation, the Fire Alarm Control Panel of Security Center records thousands of fire alarms, and almost 100% of them are false. Before you call the police, someone is sent to the scene to verify whether there is a real fire. Thousands of frequent false alarms often annoy the security guards, and fire alarm panel could be silenced. In living, there are so many cases of this modern version of wolf is coming. But if a fire occurs and not discovered in time, it will lead to a disaster. H5800 of Orena is a visual artificial intelligence fire alarm system based on edge computing technology, cloud, networks, and field devices with IoT architecture. One of its most advantages is we do not have to change any wiring structure of traditional addressable fire alarm system. It adopts PLC carrier communication technology and two-wire bus to transmit the live video to control panel in real time. We can quickly verify false alarm when a fire is real. We can save critical 5 to 10 minutes in the initial stage of the fire for lives and properties, and carry out in one key emergency plan just in time.